guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing hide and seek with a twist.
That's right, guys, it's not just a normal hide and seek. So we're here at the beautiful Baba Beach Club in Phuket, Thailand, and there's some amazing mangrove and palm trees and a grove here. So we're gonna do monkey hide and seek in the jungle. So how it's gonna work is the two hiders are gonna wear the monkey masks, and whoever's the seeker will not wear the monkey mask. So we're gonna try to find the monkeys in the jungle. All right, let's go. Okay guys, you ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay, so who's gonna be the seeker first? Skyler? Okay, you be the seeker. Bree and I are gonna be the monkeys that are gonna hide. You can count on this tree to 20, and then Bree and I are gonna run around and hide and you try to find us, okay? All right, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 18, 19, 20. You do not hear I come. Nobody's gonna have a hide around it. Monkeys around the gym. I guess so. Run, it's fuzzy. Gotcha!
You found me.
Can you tell Brianna?
Let's find Bree.
Let's find Bree.
The monkey. Where is the monkey man? Where is the monkey man? Right here. I'm here. Who did you find first, Skyler? Daddy. Now me and Skyler have to hide.
Okay.
All right, little monkeys, you guys go hide. Daddy's gonna count.
Okay.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Where are those little monkeys? I'm gonna go find them. All right, come on. Whoa. Man. Guys, this is like a real jungle. Look at all these mangrove trees, these vines, tropical plants. So many great places to hide. Let's see if we can find some little monkeys. Where are they? Oh, we're getting close. I think we're getting close. Nope, not over here. All right, I haven't seen any little monkeys yet, so there's somebody laying down here. I think I'm gonna go ask them if they've seen any monkeys. Okay, so let me just go over real quick and ask. Look at this monkey. Look at this monkey hiding.
Very, like, not very high. Just lay down on the beach.
Come on, Skyler, let's go find the other monkeys. Come on, you gotta be my helper now. Let's go find Brianna. Watch out for the water. Oh.
Monkey man!
Yeah, we got you. There you are.
Now I'm the seeker.
Oh, now Skyler's the seeker, and then Bree and I have to be the monkeys and hide.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 20. I think I found the monkey. Lord. Bumbaloo monkey man.
Oh, he found me. Ah, darn it. Skyler, you're so good at this.
I'm gonna. Oh, monkey man. Hello, I am the monkey man.
Okay, since Skyler and I have been the seekers, now it's Brianna's turn.
Yes.
Skyler and I are gonna hide around here, and Brianna's gonna try to find us.
Okay.
You ready, Bree?
Yeah.
Okay, start counting.
1, 2, 3, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Let's see where they are, guys. maybe they're hiding behind that tree. I did see someone, because that's a really big tree for someone to hide behind. I wonder who could be over here. Oh, I see a shadow. What a nice shadow. Ah! The monkey man! I found the monkey man! Monkey man! Let's go find Skyler.
All right, let's go.
Ooh, let's go find Skyler. I mean, the second monkey man. No, it's not a man. It's Monkey Boy. I wonder where Monkey Boy is. Ah, Monkey Boy! I found Monkey Boy! Monkey Boy! Oh my gosh. You are a good monkey boy.
Okay guys, that's about all the time we have for today.
Yes!
We had a lot of fun playing
So much fun.
monkey hide and seek, right?
Yeah. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yep.
Bye!
Bye! All right, here you guys go hide. I'm gonna find you.